Hi, I'm Peggy Hoffman, and I'm a CRP for about 30 years. That's a component relations professional. My first organization, we called them affiliate associations, completely independent. And then I worked for an organization with chapters. You know what? Doesn't matter what you call them. The reality is, I've discovered in all of these years that we continue to make one big mistake in how we work with our groups and our volunteers. We don't coach them to make good decisions. So the results, volunteer burnout, member disengagement, and a real frustration all around. So it's time we change that. And that's the reason why Bill Highway and Mariner are hosting 2 in-person CEX workshops next month. We're going to spend the morning focused on how do we coach these components to make better decisions. We're going to talk about how do you use your data, how do you use your reports, and how do you use your critical conversations to help your chapter leaders make decisions that will move the needle for members and for the organization. Then, because there's lots of other questions around that particular question, and we have our own internal fires to put out, we're going to spend the afternoon in problem-solving roundtables. This is where you bring your problem, your challenge, your opportunity, your question, and in peer-to-peer roundtable discussions, well, we're going to swap ideas, seek solutions, and, solve those problems. So won't you join Bill Highway and Mariner for our 2 in-person workshops coming up in October? We'll be in Chicago on the October 11th and then going to DC on October 13th. We're in-person breaking bread and coaching our chapters to be all they can be in 23. What are you waiting for? Register. Join us there.